Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we will share few of the remote job opportunities also with you. So let me share the details with you. So the first job opportunity is for a QA with location in the location coaching with work from office, and anyone who is having 2 to 7 years of experience can apply. And this is the email address wherein you have to apply. It is very important that you should be strong in database testing or ETL testing. The next job opportunity is for a Java developer fresher, and anyone who is looking forward to start their career in the backend developer development as a fresher, then they can apply. This is the link wherein you have to apply. Someone who is strong in Java core plus OOPS plus DSA, exposure to Spring Boot and REST APIs, these things are important. Then there's a remote job QA opening. So it is with respect to the QA experience 3+ years, and this is the email address wherein you have to apply. Nice to have a familiarity with CI/CD tools, API testing knowledge, and ability to work in Agile Scrum environments, strong hands-on experience with Cypress, Selenium, and JavaScript. Then there is a hiring in the eSpark Biz team, and they are looking for automation tester 2 to 4 years. Apart from that, there are multiple other roles also for which the hiring is going on, and this is the email address. Then Feed System is hiring for AI ML engineers, freshers, BE, BTech. And if you are looking for a role of AI ML engineer, location is Mumbai. You can apply. Eligibility is BE, BTech, freshers, experience 0 to 1 year, someone who is having strong foundation in ML, DL algorithms and data processing, Python programming. Then educational background is also given, BTech, MTech in CS, AI, ML, data science, or mathematics. You can send your resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for QA automation engineer. Location is Pune. Experience is 4 to 6 years. Industry big tech. And you can share your CV at this email address. Then there's a requirement for senior performance tester. It is 100% remote opportunity. And the night shift job is there, 6:30 p.m. IST to 3:30 a.m. Immediate joiners are preferred. US-based clients are there, and 10+ years of hands-on experience in performance testing is a requirement. Interested candidates, please share your updated resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement for QA manager, Pune, and someone who's having 12 to 14 years of QA experience, 3+ years in leadership can apply for this role. Location is Pune, work from office, schedule 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. You can send your resume to this email address with the subject line. Then there's a freelancing opportunity, website content writer. It's a remote job opportunity. So you can share your profile portfolio at this email address. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.